Alright, today I'm making blueberry banana chia bread. This is my new favorite recipe. When blueberries are in season, they are plump, big, bountiful, and they're really sweet. They just are kind of like these little juicy gems in your mouth, right? You can put them on salads, but we're not doing that today. We're going with banana bread. So I already love the flavors of banana bread, so why not add some juicy big blueberries? And then just to make them kind of extra good for you, we're adding chia seeds. Chia seeds are a really good protein for you. So all in all, it's kind of good for you, right? I mean, I just like the way it tastes. Anyway, follow along, watch the recipe. It's really good.